Look at the crinkles. Can you believe they're eggless? If you're someone who loves lemony freshness in their baked goods, then today's recipe is just for you. क्योंकि आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ the ultimate lemon crinkle cookies, वो भी completely eggless. These cookies are extremely soft and kind of chewy. Hi guys, I'm Chef Aruna from True Foundation Baking School, where we turn your passion for baking into a profitable business in just 6 months. So if you want to improve your skills as a baker, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon because we share new recipes every week. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले we'll rub castor sugar and lemon zest together. तो आप जब भी लेमन जेस्ट कैस्टर शुगर के साथ रब करते हो तो लेमन जेस्ट से नेचुरल ऑयल निकलता है जिसकी वजह से लेमन का फ्लेवर और बढ़ जाता है एंड इट गिव्स द प्रोडक्ट अ नेचुरल एरोमेटिक फ्लेवर. नाउ इन दिस सेम बोल we'll add in melted butter and vanilla essence. Also make sure that melted butter is at room temperature. अब हम इसमें मिल्क, लेमन जूस और एक ड्रॉप येलो जेल कलर डाल के मिक्स कर लेंगे. लास्टली इसमें हम ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर, बेकिंग पाउडर एंड सॉल्ट सिप करके अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. ये डो बहुत ही स्टिकी है तो इसे हम फ्रिज में 15 से 20 मिनट तक रख देंगे until it can be shaped by our hands. So our dough is out of the fridge. Now we'll make small dough balls weighing 20 grams each. Now we'll coat the dough balls in castor sugar first. Then we'll again coat them in icing sugar. These two steps are very important to get the crinkle effect in the cookies. So make sure कि आप इन्हें दोनों sugar से अच्छे से coat कर लें. Also guys, if you're liking this video, then I'm sure आपको हमारी vegan lemon bun cake की रेसिपी भी जरूर पसंद आएगी, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. Now we'll bake these cute little cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. So our cookies are out of the oven and have completely cooled down. And you guys can see how cute they look. And with this, our crinkle lemon cookies are ready to be served. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी जरूर पसंद आई हो. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. And I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking. Yada, look at this crinkle. Can you believe it's eggless?
नहीं